This video is meant to point out the problem I'm having with Pictory. No problem doing the initial insertion of the story that I intend to create and use Pictory for. The problem starts once this is done and it's now time for me to make a few changes. For instance, audio. I don't use the background music. That's shut off. Volume. Background down to nothing. Let's go back into the story. Now, time for me to do some recording. You sure you actually ordered that pair of shoes? Here's how to recognize and avoid package delivery scams. See how slow it is, right? And then it pops up, page not responding. Now it's time to go to the next scene. Again, page unresponsive. I have one of two choices: exit page, which cancels the whole thing, or wait. So select wait. Using the very latest version of Google Chrome, I've cleared out all the garbage from Chrome, cookies, cache, so on and so forth. That's all been cleared. But this is what keeps happening. And it says, again, wait. This is no way to produce a video. Hope you can get to the bottom of this. Thanks.